got this package from Essence, and it is Our Legacy small bag. So I'm actually been on the market to look for like a small bag for a while, just because I think like bags can really like elevate an outfit. Let's see, here's the bag. I got this on sale on Essence, and originally it retailed for $400 or something like that, and I was just not gonna pay that price. The criteria I used to pick a bag was, number one, it had to be black. Number two, it had to be small. And number three, I just had to believe in the quality of the materials. So I'm just gonna actually just wear it on body right now, and as you guys can see, it's pretty stealthy. Like, it doesn't stand out too much, but like, I think that's the point. I didn't want something that was too outlandish, but I just wanted something pretty casual. I just hop on here and show you guys 3 outfits I throw on with this bag. What's up, guys? In case you guys did not know, I'm actually going to Head in the Clouds. I would have updated you guys on this info, but I actually didn't really know it myself, because basically what happened was my sister, I think maybe like a week before Head in the Clouds, got tickets from a coworker. I need a pack for the event. Yeah, I guess I'm gonna show you guys a few of the outfits I'm gonna wear. This is sort of like the outfit I'm going to be wearing. I actually forgot to bring the shirt that I'm going to wear right here on the screen. It's just another Vandy black, I guess like bowling shirt. And it's supposed to pair up with these Vandy black mesh shorts. So it's kind of like a matching set. On foot, I have the Nike Fall Grey Dunks, as you guys can see right there. Sorry, it's kind of awkward because I can't get it all in the shot. For a festival type thing, I'm not too mad about getting them a little bit scuffed up. I guess that's outfit 1. And this is outfit number 2, and this is definitely something I don't wear on a regular basis, but for a concert setting, I think this is kind of like what I envision in my head working, but I'm not too sure. So starting up the fit, got a statement piece right here just to add a pop of color. This is I don't know the name of the hat, all I know is from the brand, Holiday brand, and I just got a Uniqlo black rib tank top. And then for pants, I have these K2 Studios pants in khaki. And I just really like how intricate this is. Like, you can see there's like this front pocket with these 2 metal buttons right here, like pockets for days. Yeah, that's basically all the fits that I'm planning on wearing. Now I'm gonna pack, and I guess I'll see you guys on the vlog.
Let's go straight to the... Go.
What's up? Yo, where my head at? Yeah, there you go.
Like a mantra, can't relate to this, yes, we do my different things, ayy. When I shoot, ayy, they gon' get the top fake. This ain't horizontal, why you looking at me sideways? Told the venue, give me stars, I'm feeling like Beyonce. I would never quit, I was born to big shit.
Penne El Vodka. I don't know if you can see the image, but this is what it looks like. Just finished eating dinner, but before I go to bed, I'm just gonna try to get more work done on Figma for my class, and also I'm gonna be trying this Dr. Jart sleeping mask just to add more moisture, because I think heading to class just was like, it was so crazy. It was 2 days and I didn't bring like all my skincare stuff there. And whenever I drink, my face gets super red. But another thing that happens is I start breaking out. So, oh my god, I look like an absolute clown. Yo, what is up guys? I just wanted to update you guys on what is happening right now, because I haven't been uploading SG Diaries in a while. But as you guys saw, I went ahead in the cloud, super fun. I actually didn't get to vlog as much like daily life as I got to, because I was taking that UX design course, and I actually made like a lot of friends in that course. And yeah, it's just been really busy for me. Today I just finished the course. We turned in a presentation and everything went pretty smoothly. And now it's time to take a vacation. I've been keeping it from you guys for a while, but I'm actually going to be going to Korea and Malaysia for the next 2 weeks. But yeah, I just thought I'd like show you guys how I'm gonna pack, or like my thought process behind packing for Korea. I just bring a bunch of the Uniqlo U Airism tees with me, just because I love these shirts so much. Also, definitely, I'm wearing them. It's the Acne Studios jeans. Definitely bringing these. So moving on to accessories. First accessory, just gonna go through it really fast. This New Balance ALD hat. Wear it everywhere. Super versatile. Can't wait to get more wear out of it. Second thing, super gassed. The Our Legacy mini bag. I've already styled this, and I think it's super versatile, and I'm so excited to be styling this more in Korea. You're probably going to see a lot of fit pics in it. The last accessory is a pretty sleeper accessory. These Bose QC35s. And the reason why I put this in the accessory category is I think that headphones, even though it's a little bit cheesy sometimes, can provide like a really nice like visual appeal to your outfit. And like, I'm not paying like $550 for a pair of like AirPods Maxes. That's crazy. So yeah, of course I'm gonna be wearing these on the plane too, and yeah.
Watch the rugby match.
I know. Wow.
Nice view.
The best gelato, salt and straw.
Oh yeah.
So authentic.
He's a legit vlogger, guys.
Oh god.
He got his
You're
camera.
literally vlogging.
Yeah, because I'm not shy like you.
And the music.
The music is nice.
I'm like, it was out of minute.
What did you get, Leon?
Basically banana and vanilla.
Now you're chasing fake highs in the Upper West Side.